What are we making?
We're going to make lasagna verde,
Yes.
which I have made numerous times. Remember,
Yeah.
everybody had a birthday?
Yeah, well, you would make it at Christmas, too.
Yeah, oh, Christmas.
Well, not Christmas. Would you make it at Christmas?
Yeah. Christmas, I always made it, and Dad always made the timpano, and we
Oh,
always
right.
had this.
Yeah, because we
too.
didn't have enough pasta.
Right.
We're going to cut it in the size of that.
Let's cut off this little. It's a nice holiday dish.
It is. So boiling the pasta really, really super quickly. And obviously 2 different layers, plain pasta, spinach pasta. Then you're going to cool it down. You can just put it like in an ice bath for a second and then pat it dry and then begin to layer it. And the sauce is tomato with a base of carrot, celery, onion, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of butter at the beginning too, and olive oil, salt and pepper. You're just gonna layer the plain pasta, sauce, béchamel, then green pasta, or you can put a little bit of Parmigiano in between those 2. And then you just keep layering and layering and layering and layering and layering until you run out of everything.
So it's really like a vegetable
This is a total
lasagna.
vegetarian, yeah. And then you can also make this with bolognese, and then you have a lasagna bolognese. How do you usually end it, Mom?
Sometimes just with the bechamel. Sometimes if I have extra sauce, I put it on.
Right.
You know, it varies. You don't want the bechamel too thick because it's going to get thicker as it cooks.
A little bit of Parmigiano to end it. You can also put tomato and then the bechamel if you want to do that, and then it's going to go into the oven.
That's it.
That's it. Can you open the oven for me, Mom?
Sure.
For how long? Hour?
45 minutes. Perfect size.
Yeah, that's good design.
Good design. I like that
Right.
pan.
Okay, I'm going to take it out of the oven now. Thank you.
Magnificent.
My
Look
God,
at that.
you're good, Joan. That's all I can say.
Looks perfect in the pan.
Yep. Bubble.
Picture perfect.
Look at that. Well,
Because you eat with your eyes.
do you?
Cheers. Bon appetit.
Just 1 bottle each.
Try it again.
That's not. Here we go. Will
Whoa.
you pass them around?
Look at that.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's a beauty.